Okay guys, patuloy natin yung last episode natin, episode 1. So ito yung magiging episode 2. Medyo mahaba yung last time, pero try natin na maikli yung video. Pero do-document natin yung series na to, yung Guild Wars 2 free account series hanggat umabot to ng level 80. So, kahapon, natapos natin yung episode by umabot siya ng level 12 and papunta tayo sa personal story number 2. So pasok tayo dito. Dito yan sa may Divinity's Reach, sa may Salma Waypoint. So ito yung icon para sa story. So pag lumapit ka, click on enter the instance. So lalakad ka lang doon papunta sa pag may ganyan na lumabas, guys, ang ibig sabihin yan is may equipment ka na hindi mo pa nalagyan ng stats. So tingnan natin kung anong equipment yan. So yan, may stats, may stats, may stats, meron I think ilan ba dito? Ito pala. So piliin natin sa ngayon, strong na lang. Try natin din to. Strong. Wala pala itong mga stats. So click nyo lang yung customize para malagyan nyo ng stats. Pag ganito na equipment, hindi nyo na pwedeng palitan yung stats pag na-set nyo na. Medyo limited talaga pag low level pa yung armor or weapon.
Keep walking. If you ain't a friend of Big Nose Ted,
Come on,
you ain't
sweetness,
welcome
just
here.
one dance.
Hey, watch it.
Let's see where it
You
takes
almost filled my... Hope you're looking for a fight.
So skip ko na guys kasi napanood ko na yan.
Let him
Away
have
from
it.
my dad's quick kissers.
I'm here to
knock you out and look good doing it.
help is on the way.
Tayo nyo lang lahat ng kalaban dito na red. Dito sa Guild Wars guys, hindi kayo kailangan mag-set ng mga stats. Ang kailangan nyo lang i-set is i-set nyo lang yung skills nyo. And pwede nyo palitan yung skills anytime. Kung anong stats yung gusto mo o tinatawag yan namin na build. So pag may dalawang weapon na tayo, so may great sword at short bow. So yung short bow is melee, tapos yung short bow naman natin is range.
All right, I surrender.
So
Pound
tayo
you into the
punta sa
ground
taas.
like a big nail.
Usually ginagawa ko dito is nilulure ko sila papunta sa taas para isa ko silang patayin dito, sabay-sabay yung tatlo.
Let's play who can hit the hardest. I'll go first.
Pag nagpare, yan, pwede ko siyang titakin knockback.
Like fine wine, I just keep
Halap
getting
naman
better.
tayo, level 13. Isa pang kalaban.
Okay, okay. Can't give up. Surrender.
That's enough. I yield.
Okay, baba tayo, tapos yan, may cutscene na naman.
Bandits, thieves, and brawlers. By order of the Ministry Guard, you are all under arrest.
Hey, they started it. I was just defending my friend.
Commander Sarantine. What's the meaning of this? What are you doing here?
So, pwede na
Nice of
natin
you to
to
show up,
skip guys ha. Skip mo na lang to kasi magdadagdag lang to sa length ng video.
I'll find a way to
So, pwede din naman panoorin
Sarantine
pag
keeps swiping our
kayo na
low-level
naglaro.
prisoners. We'll have to
So,
start
dito
arresting
pipili
a
ka
better
ng
class
bagong
of villain.
stats. So, ito, pwede. Hindi pa na-unlock. Video naman to lahat. So, may stats sa binigay. So, power lang yung piliin natin para mas madaling mapatay yung mga kalaban. So, mayroon tayong additional hero points at saka daily achievements and then conditions. Natin yan. Ito pa. And then, maglalagay tayo ng skill dito. So, for Ranger, mas maganda kasi dito yung ganito kasi magdadagdag to na movement speed na passive. So, mas mabilis siyang maglakad. So, click natin tong click here to leave the instance, or usually ginagawa ko shortcut lang to guys ha. Within yung map, and then click nyo yung tab dito sa gilid para mag upper level, and then delete. Yeah. So may waypoint, so shortcut na tayo. Instead na lalabas tapos pupunta dito, shortcut na papunta dito sa susunod na part ng story. So actually itong story na to, ginagamit to as Black Lion farm weekly. So usually yung mga veterans players, mayroon silang dedicated na character slot para sa Black Lion farm na weekly. By the way, ang Black Lion farm is Black Lion key farm is ginagamit mo yan para buksan mo yung mga Black Lion chest. Para siyang gacha sa game na to. So libre o halos libre yan ang Black Lion chest, pero yung key is either fina-farm mo or nakukuha mo pag nagma-map completion ka or nalulot mo minsan, or pwede mo siyang mabili para sa mabibili sa gem store dito. Usually nagsisale to. Sa ngayon, ito yung mga sale na gem items. Wala tayong gems to, hindi natin pwede bilhin yan. I believe yung key is nandito sa upgrades ata. Black Lion key. Pero makukuha natin yan mamaya guys. I think dito yung sa utility. Yun. Eto. So by default, 125 yung bawat isang Black Lion chest key. 5 for 450 gems at 2,100 for 25 pieces. Pero pag hindi mo naman kayang bumili, wag pilitin.
Stop worrying about me. I can take care of myself. You're the one who just got out of the hospital.
He just took all the loot away.
So dito, sa story na to, pwede mo lang skip yung mga mobs. Punta ka na direkta dun sa may green sa minimap. So, puntahan mo na agad yung boss. Di mo na kailangan patayin yung
This place. When do we get to
mga
see
mob
some
dito.
action?
Pero, depende din sa'yo. If trip mong patayin yung mga kalaban dito, so nasasaya na.
Kill this clown.
So, pwede mo rin skip dyan sila. Susunod din naman yan sa'yo. So, dito. Ito, kalaban natin si
Big nose
Peach.
right here.
Medyo mahina pa talaga to sila guys dahil mga low level pa to sila. Level 10 pa sila, tapos tayo naman sa level 13. Medyo taas control. Pero gaya ng sinabi ko dati guys, ang Guild Wars 2 hindi siya tulad ng mga ibang MMOs na nilaro mo. Iba talaga siya. Magle-level scaling pa siya. Tingnan nyo, 40 na tayo pero dahil sa area level 10 lang yung scale. So lahat ng stats natin bumababa to level 10.
Twitchy Jake sent ya. Don't you know who I am? I'm famous. Everything bad.
Okay. So may story to.
I've got to get these supplies back to the Seraph.
I'll bring your father what he needs right after I talk to Lieutenant Francis.
So skip na lang to
Alright,
guys ha.
but hurry. I'll see you soon.
So gaya ng ginawa ko dati, pwede itong skip ganito pa nakita mo na yung kasi yung next na con is dito. Dito ka pupunta. Ginagawa ko lang to dahil alam ko na yung takbuhan ng story. Pero pag hindi mo pa alam, yun, gawin mo yung tama. As
It's a soldier's
mentioned
life for
before, pag naglalaro ka ng Guild Wars, nirespeto niya yung oras mo. So, you can just pwede ka mag-chill na lang at maglaro ka at your own pace. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. So, tatay dito. Next, ang story. So, yung Raptor natin, meron pa tayong 9 hours and 35 minutes. Diba sinabi ko kahapon or ng last episode na yung timer ng Raptor natin is hindi siya magra-run pag di tayo online. Pag online na tayo, saka pa siya magra-run. So maraming oras pa yan bago maubos yung Raptor natin na trial.
You're back. They're upstairs.
Pag
Take a
wala
left.
na yung
First door on
Raptor,
the right.
kailangan na talaga natin maglakad or bumili ng expansion.
Oh.
Hindi mo na yung gamot, tapos kakausapin mo dito si Logan.
Captain Thackeray, what are you doing here?
We came to check on the tavern
So
keeper.
skip ko na lang to
And
guys
on you. Undercover work is tricky. To pull this off, you'll have to eat, breathe, think, and stink like a bandit.
Okay, kunin natin tong mas palakas na greatsword.
Ready for more.
Okay, palitan natin yung greatsword. Mas malakas to eh. Kumpara dito. Okay, and then yung skills natin, pwede natin tong dagdagan. Meron na tayong ipon. Okay, and then waypoint papunta dito para sa next part ng story.
Food prices are
Mas mabilis lang siya tumakbo talaga guys pag may mount siya, may Raptor. Kung meron na kayong expansion, marami kayong Raptor na, marami kayong mount na pagpipilian. Isa na tong Raptor na may horizontal jumping, may bunny, Springer ang tawag, for vertical jumping. Ito pwede nyo kunin to, quest tong ganito. So may dagdag siya. And then may skimmer, lumulutang sa tubig. May jackal na teleport. May griffon na nagka-glide. And then may sky scale din dito guys, which is parang mini dragon.
You're trespassing, jerk. Now I have to hurt you.
You'll be feeling that one for days.
So habang naglalaro ka guys, explore mo din yung mga skill. Ito sa finger ko, ang number 5 nito is may Defiance Break. So pwede siyang mag-stun ng kalaban or magtatanggal kasi in higher levels may mga kalaban ka na may mga Defiance bar sila. So hindi sila medyo napoprotektahan sila ng Defiance bar nila, lalo na pag gumagamit ka ng skill. So kailangan mo i-break yun para maging busy sila at ma-attack mo sila. So kunin natin yung fuse.
Hurry up. Blaze wants those fuses.
Drakes are getting a little cozy. Sure about this?
So
Those fuses.
kuha tayo ng information natin na nahilo si Della, Dead Eye Della.
Are you
Bilis
talking to
bigay
me?
mo yung fuse. And then
I'm Uptown Johnny, baby.
Uptown Johnny, baby.
Man plus.
Okay, so skip tayo papunta kay Logan Thackeray.
Here's our favorite new undercover operative now. Let's see if the hero Shaymore can shed some light on
I
this.
think yung, I'm sorry guys na skip ko na kaagad, pero usually pinipili ko orphanage. May other option naman, so depende
Ted
yun
thinks
sa'yo.
we can't be in two places at once.
And
That's why the gods
ang
in
maganda
to
dito
do
is pag gumamit ka ng ibang karakter, pwede mong kunin yung ibang story para matry mo naman. So,
Yep.
medyo limited lang talaga tayo when it comes to doing or sa inventory space natin. Pero iiwasan natin na mapuno yan. Okay, so next punta tayo dito sa Selma Waypoint. Dito kasi yung event ng orphanage.
But I bet I could make one. The orphanage is. Stop them!
Look at him run.
It's the Seraph. Finish the job.
Nutface.
Charge the flames.
I'm gonna knock you out and look good.
Ang skill to naman ng great sword ng ranger is may vulnerability siya. So pag ina-attack mo yung kalaban na lalagyan sila ng debuff,
Keep it up. They're tough. But they're no match for us.
We heal as one.
You're dead!
These children have suffered enough.
Fine. You want a piece of me? Come
Stay
and
behind
get
me,
it.
children. For Mir's help, I will protect you.
Good riddance, murdering scum.
okay, lalabas tayo. I-cheer yung mga orphans na niligtas mo. So punta tayo doon sa best friend ni Logan Thackeray na yung ginawa niya is yung ibang story na pagpipilian mo, orphanage or itong hospital. So ito si Lieutenant Francis, kausapin mo lang siya. Kahabol din yun si Logan, may cutscene, so
The Ministry God
skip
will
na
take
natin
it
to
from
guys, ha?
here.
Okay, and then kausapin.
Lieutenant Francis, what's the situation here?
We got all the people out, sir, but so far we haven't found any.
Okay,
Francis.
skip na lang natin to. Tatanggap tayo ng bagong weapon, either ito or ito. So puro short, puro longbow pa to at short bow. So depende na sa inyo kung anong pipiliin niyo. Ito na lang.
Ready for more.
Okay, and then next is babalik tayo dun sa office ni Logan, which is dito. So guys, as mentioned earlier, para sa akin, siniskip ko lang to dahil alam ko saan papunta. Pero pag lumabas naman kayo dun sa instance na yun, nakikita nyo dito kung saan kayo pupunta.
It's my fault. I never should have sent Francis alone. He's a good man, but he's not.
You're too hard on yourself,
Pwede
Logan.
maglagay ng bagong skill,
And on everyone else.
which is
The Queen doesn't expect
pwede
perfection.
ito.
Why do you?
So kausapin natin si Logan. Ito Takashi
Fair weather we're
Countess
having.
Ines. Nagyan tayo ng distress.
Wait, what? What's up with my face?
So, bababa tayo dito
It's
sa...
not.
Kasi magpapanggap tayo na hinuli. Para mahuli natin yung mastermind ng mga bandits. Pwede tayong magsayaw dito habang nag-aantay. So, pag click and hold mo yung left click mo, yan. Makikita mo yung 3D view ng character mo. Pag left click naman, yan. Yung right click, pwede din siya. Okay, so dito,
Shield formation. I can't be
inunahan ko na sila guys, bago sila maka-formation. So, nasa likod ako.
Break formation. Spread out and take them down. Dash. Kill. Gods tell you to do everything myself.
By the way pala guys, ito yung pangalawang araw natin sa paglalaro nito. So, dahan-dahan ko lang tong gagawin. Kasi naglalaro din ako sa main account ko talaga. Yung main account ko naman, kompleto na yun yung expansions. So, ginawa ko lang tong video series na to guys para makatulong din sa
That was
interesado
exhilarating.
mag-try na
And
Guild
effective.
Wars.
Commander Serentine's little workroom.
Gusto mo nang mag-investigate kung ano ba talaga yung Guild Wars to bago try maglaro. So yan guys, nakatanggap tayo ng Black Lion Key. Kailangan lang natin ng chest. At saka may nakuha tayong mastery points. Pero itong mastery point na to guys, di natin to magagamit kasi para lang to sa may expansion. Pag tinignan natin dito sa H, dito sa may ma-activate lang tong mastery points pag level 80 ka na, saka may expansion. Pag wala tayong expansion, hindi po mag-activate yan. So ang next na tanong ng iba is worth it ba bumili ng expansion? So if ako yung tatanungin nyo guys, dahil veteran player ako, matagal na ako naglalaro ng game na to, para sa akin worth it talaga yung mga expansion. And yung mga expansion naman is one time payment lang, sa'yo na yan forever. Wala ka ng subscription na babayaran. As long as gusto mo pa maglaro, nandyan lang yan, magkaantay sa'yo. So very worth it talaga yung mga expansion. So ang next story natin is yung level 20 pa. So ngayon, since 16 pa tayo, di po na tayo natin makukuha yung next na story. So dito sa next story, pag pinindot natin yung H dito, yung next natin story is ito, Shadow of the Past, available pag level 20. So kailangan muna natin magpa level 20. Madali lang yan guys. So ito, activate muna natin yung mga skills na iba. Meron pa dito. So okay. So next natin na gagawin is pupunta ulit tayo doon sa sa Queensdale para magpa-level. So kahapon tumigil tayo doon sa may banda dito. So balik muna tayo dito dahil ang heart na to hindi pa na kuha. So punta tayo doon. Pero guys, puputulin ko muna to ngayon dahil may lakad ako at may gagawin ako dun sa main account ko muna dahil mayroong bonus event ngayon, which is yung World V World Rush. Maggagawa din ako ng video para ma-explain yan at itong Secrets of the Obscure sa isa tong expansion na may libre or may current na bonus event which matatapos in 6 days. Same sila sa World V World Rush. So kukunin ko yan. So dito muna guys, dito muna natin tatapusin yung episode 2 and then bukas naman yung episode 3. Okay, so kita-kits tayo bukas guys. Thank you sa panonood and bye for now.